Jax and Nadia, I can't emphasise how fast you should be moving. You've got 50 minutes left, and Guillaume suggests that you're going to need a minimum, absolute minimum, of half an hour to put your tower together. So that means you've got 20 minutes to be doing that.
Yes,
so
Chef.
if you think you're moving fast, think again.
Work, Jax.
Oi, oi, oi.
You gonna make it, Nadia?
I'm sure gonna, as hell, try. I'm going as fast as I possibly can. I've got about 250 bits of ganache to put on macaroons. And yeah, it's a very time-consuming process, and I'm just trying to go as fast as I can, but I'm still not sure if I'm going to be able to get this macaroon tower up in time.
OK, so let's do this. We start with a
Looking good.
pink one.
Looking good, Jax.
Awesome. Not you, Jax.
Yeah, get that first one on, buddy.
Two, Jax.
Pink one.
That's the one, Jax. That's the one, Jax.
That's it.
It's a rhythm now, Jax.
Spin it round.
We don't want it bumpy.
30 minutes to go, guys. 30 minutes left. Come on, Nadia, it's not the time to be fluffing around. Don't do this to me now. I need a tower up in 30 minutes.
You're going to get it, don't worry.
I am worried.
Jax is ahead of me at this point. She's already started to assemble her tower about 5-10 minutes before I get to start. I'm a little worried. I've got the 6-point lead, but I could potentially lose if I don't get the macaroon tower up and she does. So I just go into speed mode, start assembling it and getting into a rhythm, really.
You've got 25 minutes to finish. You've done mise en place all day, and what you're doing now is the beautiful finish for the tower that is going to look like Guillaume's.
The very first line that I do, I'm doing really well until I get to the very last macaroon to put in, and it doesn't fit in the space. So then I start getting all the macaroons that I've placed and pushing them closer together so that there's no gap between any of them. It's kind of like Lego in a bit of a way, because you've got to make sure every one of them is pushed in at the right place, because if it's not, it keeps building up on top of each other. This is shaping up to be quite a close challenge, and we both really want it, so it's going to be down to the wire.
7 minutes to go.
Nearly finished. Winning MasterChef would mean the world to me. I've definitely got enough macaroons. Yeah.
I get all the walls up, and then I start putting the wires in, because we need to have some macaroons on the end of the wire hanging off.
I feel euphoric and I feel exhausted all at the same time.
There's one, and see if it's okay. That looks gorgeous, Jack. I suddenly see that Guillaume's tower of macaroons actually has a top layer. I didn't realise that, so I quickly rush back to my bench, and I'm thinking, you know, you always leave everything to the last minute.
You've got 30 seconds, Nadia and Jax. Just 30 seconds left. You can do it, guys. Come on, finish it off. Get it done. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Step away from the
I just looked at Fiona and I'm like, one of them's moving.
Look at that tower.
One of Jax's macaroons has fallen down. That's okay. Only one of them's fallen down.
And I turned around and I knew what was happening. I could hear them smashing on the ground. And I knew then my tower was broken.
Feeling exhausted, I'm feeling emotional, I'm feeling...
Jax, words cannot describe how gutted I am for you right now. But I've got to tell you, you know, the strength that you have right now is something that everybody will look up to. But I know what you've been through to get here, and you are a hero. Give us a colour. But it might look bad. But, you know, it ain't over until the fat lady sings, girl, and we're going to try it. Taste together. Come on.
All right.
It's shiny. Gooey. Crunchy. Glossy. Just a bit all over the place.
Yeah.
And the filling is delicious.
Thank you, son.
I don't think there's much I can say, Jax. They taste great. It is such a shame. Good, well done.
I've been standing here puzzling about this, as to why this happened. Now, I'm no physicist, but if you look at Guillaume's one, he's put them there and another one there, like bricks in a wall.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Which bear the load. Now, if you pile them one on top of the other, it just went do-do-do-do-do-do like this and basically slid down. But let's taste them. Chewy, gooey, crunchy. I've eaten them in Ladurée in Paris. I know what they're meant to taste like. That's like them. They're definitely the real thing.
Thank you, Ray.
I agree for the texture. We got the crunchy. We got the gooey. For first macaron, congratulations.
Thank you very much.
It's bittersweet. It would have been awful if they were really bad macaroons as well as my tower looking like it does. So it's nice to hear that.
Well, Nadia, it's been one hell of a tough day.
It sure has.
You've had some incredibly stiff competition all the way, and your tower is standing, and I'm going to celebrate that right now by trying one. They taste great. Well done.
Thanks.
Nadia, looks good. You happy?
Yeah, in a bittersweet way.
Taking into account everything that went on. Let's see what they taste like. They're really good. They're really good. Well done.
Thank you.
Well, Nadia, I'm impressed.
Thanks.
I'm really impressed. Wow, is that really your first one?
Yeah, definitely.
Sure? You've been watching the one I made pretty carefully.
Yep.
The angle of your line is pretty nice. It's pretty good. I like your idea, I have to say, because you felt and it's a bit soft, so why not displaying this way? That's cool. And it looks also really good. It's amazing what you guys done, really, I have to say. Crunchy, gooey, creamy, and tasty.
Thank you. Thanks,
Bravo.
Bella.
So there's a couple of things I've figured out about you. You cry a lot.
Oh, really?
But inside, I think you're as tough as iron. It was a tough challenge.
It was.
Sensational macaroons. Overall, it's a sensational effort. What can I say? Well done. Great effort. Nadia and Jax, this is the moment you have been waiting for all competition. It's time to reveal your scores for the final challenge.
Jax, for your Macaron Flower Frenzy, we scored you an 11, giving you a combined total of 75.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Nadia, you're on 70 points. You need a total of 76 points to win and become New Zealand's next MasterChef.
Nadia, we thought your Macaron Flower Frenzy was excellent. And we couldn't score you any other way. We gave you a score of 18, which gives you an overall score of 88.
Nadia, you are New Zealand's MasterChef.
Oh, you really deserve it, Nadia. Thank you. Very good. Thank you. Yeah, celebrate.